How to verify your identity on Cash App. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you verify your identity in Cash App. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you will have to open the Cash App on your device. So simply you have to open it, and now on this interface you will have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner of this screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here on this interface you will have to go the option security and privacy. So tap on it. Alright, so after this, on the security and privacy section you will have to scroll down and go with the options like identity verification. So simply tap on it, and now from here tap on personal info, and now on this give your date of birth and click on the next button. Then give your social security number here and again tap on the next button, and as usual give your current address and next from here. Okay, so your info is verified. Now for the another step you'll have to click on this done option, and now from here you'll have to confirm your photo ID. So you have to click on that option. Okay, tap on the continue, and now from here you will have to choose one options to verify your ID. So it will be like driving license, state ID, US passport or permanent residence card. So choose one of these from here and give the access to allow Cash App to take pictures and record the video. So simply you have to click on the allow. Alright, so after you upload the front and back side of your document, the Cash App will verify your photos, and again from here you'll have to take a photo of yourself. So simply take a photo yourself and click on the continue, and again it will verify your photos. Alright, so after the process will be complete you will see such interface. So from here you can know that your identity is now verified. So this is the easiest and simplest method to verify your identity on Cash App. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.